Nursery cartoon love, journey with hoorah.
5 fat ducks and their colorful eggs.
Wait for me, Quackerjack. This egg is heavy. And
The
mine
meadow
found the mud
where the
again.
daisies sway. 5 fat ducks came out to play. With waddles wide and laughter bright, they danced beneath the morning light. The first was named Quackerjack, so bold, with an egg of shimmering emerald gold. He balanced it high upon his head and tripped on a twig. Oh dear, he fled. The second duck, with feathers of gray, took a purple egg for a rolling display. He pushed it with glee down the grassy hill. It tumbled and bounced, he laughed with thrill. The third was Daisy, ripen and pink. She dipped her blue egg in lemonade drink. A splash and a giggle filled up the air as she wore the yolk like a crown in her hair.
Wait for me,
Oh, Henrietta,
This
in
egg
orange
is
so
heavy,
bright,
and
she
mine
played
found the mud
hopscotch
again.
from morning till night, with her yellow wig hopping beside her toes. Each jump brought delight as her laughter arose. Then there's Gus, with his red striped spear. He juggled away without any fear, but alas, one slipped through his webbed little feet and rolled into mud, a most squishy defeat. Together they gathered by old willow tree, their colorful treasures all messy and free. Let's paint our feathers, cried Quackerjack loud. So they splashed colors, a jubilant crowd. Now each duck adorned with patterns galore, pink polka dots here, stripes there more. They quack in harmony, their hearts full of cheer, in this playful world where
I'm
joy
gonna be first.
draws
Whoa there. You almost fell in,
as
Pip.
twilight
Come on,
descended on
Slowpokes.
this
The
merry
water
scene,
is
the 5
waiting.
fat ducks
Ready,
snuggled
everyone?
close on
So
green
wet,
grass
so
sheen, with
fun.
eggs by their sides and dreams taking flight. They whispered sweet
Look at the
secrets
whirlpool.
till day
Look at all
turned
the
to
balloons.
night.
Wowee, let's pop 'em. I'll get the ones on the left.
Nursery cartoon love, journey with hoorah.